Diesel engines are particular about the fuel quality, including the water content. This is because water can cause serious problems, corrosion, cavitation, fuel system malfunctions, and even an engine failure. In the cold season, water can freeze in the fuel lines, making it difficult to start the machinery. One of the main ways for ingress of water into diesel fuel is through condensation that occurs in the tanks during improper storage, or through moisture when refilling at gas stations where the tanks are not cleaned in time. Therefore, in order to prevent potential problems, the moisture content of diesel fuel should be constantly monitored, and if it exceeds critical values, moisture removal should be carried out in a timely manner. This allows farmers, construction companies and owners of large-dimensioned machinery to avoid costly repairs and equipment downtime. For this reason, GlobeCore professionals have developed a comprehensive technology for monitoring the moisture content and removal in diesel fuel, which is implemented through operation of TOR-1 tester and CMMCF plants. How the TOR-1 tester works. It's simple. First, the sample is heated to dissolve all the moisture contained. Then a capacitance sensor determines the moisture concentration with high accuracy. In this case, other contaminants do not affect the result. You obtain only reliable data. The analysis process has become even faster and more convenient due to updated software. It takes just 10 minutes to get accurate readings of the minimum and maximum moisture levels. And owing to the embedded RGB backlight, you always know at what stage the test is run. Orange indicates the analysis started, and green means the test successfully completed. TOR-1 is designed to work in real-world settings, at a gas station, in the field, or at a construction site. The powerful battery ensures offline operation for at least 10 hours. The tester is compact and lightweight, 37 cm high, 19 cm long, 26 cm wide, weighing maximum 8 kg. If the analysis reveals that the critical moisture content is exceeded, GlobeCore recommends removing the moisture in 2 stages. First, free water is removed by settling, and then dissolved water is removed with the use of CMMCF plant. The removal of dissolved water in CMMCF plants is implemented by means of special coalescing filters. The distinctive feature of this plant is its ability to work even with heavily water-cut fuel, the moisture content of which may equal up to 50%. Thus, using the TOR-1 tester, you can quickly check the quality of diesel fuel, identify a potential problem and eliminate it by means of CMMCF plant, thereby avoiding the costly repairs and downtime of machinery. And what other challenges is your fuels and lubricants facility facing? Please share them in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for moisture content monitoring and diesel fuel dehydration can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.